It is with deep sadness that we announce that Adan Canto, cleaning lady and designated survivor star, dead at 42. For his last footage and cause of death, watch the video till end. Adan Canto, the Mexican-American actor, singer, and filmmaker, succumbed to appendiceal cancer at the age of 42. He rose to prominence with roles in notable TV series like The Cleaning Lady, Designated Survivor, and Narcos. Despite his private battle with cancer, Canto aimed to return to the set of The Cleaning Lady for its third season after missing initial filming due to health constraints. In addition to his television success, Canto showcased his talent on the big screen in films such as Agent Game, and he played a role in Halle Berry's directorial debut, Bruised. Beyond acting, he made contributions as a singer, guitarist, and filmmaker, directing his first short film in 2014 and a western in 2020. Canto, born in Mexico and raised in Texas, is survived by his wife and creative partner, Stephanie Ann Canto, along with their 2 children, Roman Alder and Eve Josephine. The entertainment industry mourns the loss of a versatile and accomplished artist. Please send prayers and condolences to his family in the comments box below. For more information, please subscribe to our channel.